everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sugar scrub two different ways. The first one we're going to make is a traditional sugar scrub, and then the second one we're going to make is a sugar scrub bar. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our traditional sugar scrub. So I have a bowl here, and I'm just going to add in 1 cup of sugar, then a 1/4 cup of almond oil, and about a teaspoon of vitamin E, and then just for a little extra exfoliation, plus it gives it a nice look, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of lemon peel. And I'm going to have this full recipe down in the description box as well. And then we're making this a lemon sugar scrub, perfect for summer. So I'm going to add in 10 drops of lemon essential oil and 5 drops of jade lemon essential oil. The jade lemon just has a little bit of a sweeter note, so it's nice to bring into this. But if you don't have the jade lemon, you can just do 15 drops of regular lemon. There we go. And now we're just going to get everything stirred together. And then if you notice as you're stirring that it seems like the consistency isn't quite right, or that you would like it a little more liquidy, I guess would be the word, then you can add in some additional almond oil. I always just start with the 1/4 cup and then kind of go from there and see how it feels. And you basically want it to be like sand that is wet, so that it kind of sticks together. But as I said, if you do want it to have more of a liquidy consistency, you can always add in more almond oil. Now, you don't have to, lemon is a photosensitive oil, meaning it can cause a reaction with the sun. But with this sugar scrub, you don't have to worry about that because it is a wash-off product. You're not leaving it on your skin. You're going to just rub it on, get the exfoliation and the moisturization, and then you are going to be rinsing it off afterwards. So no need to worry about any sort of reaction in the sun with this. All right, there's kind of the consistency. So will clump together, but not super liquidy. All right, and then that literally is all there is to it. I'm going to go ahead and get this added into my jar. I'm just using a mason jar, but you can use any sort of airtight container that you would like. Now, if you were going to not use this very often, or if you were going to sell it, then you would want to add in a preservative, because with a sugar scrub, since you're reaching into the jar while your hands are going to be wet, there is the chance of introducing bacteria into it. So definitely, like I said, if you're only going to use it occasionally, or if you are going to sell it to other people, then definitely add in that preservative. So as you can see, that makes a nice full container of the sugar scrub. And then when you want to use it, you just scoop a little bit out, rub it onto your skin, and then rinse it off. And that'll help get rid of any sort of dry spots you have. Plus, you know, just help with renewing skin cells and keeping your skin looking healthy, especially during the summer months when we tend to be out in the sun more and our skin gets dried out. This one is a great scrub to have on hand. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the sugar scrub bar. Okay, so now we're ready to make our sugar scrub bar. What's nice about the sugar scrub bar is there's no cleanup afterwards. When you use the traditional sugar scrub, you typically need to wipe out your shower or bathtub afterwards so it's not greasy. With this one, since it's in a bar form and you're just rubbing it on your skin, there's no cleanup afterwards. So I prefer the sugar scrub bars to the traditional sugar scrub for that reason. And that's why I wanted to kind of show you both options so you can pick whichever one you like the best. So in my container here, I have 4 ounces of clear melt and pour soap and a little bit of a yellow color block, because I want this, since it's a lemon sugar scrub bar, I wanted it to be yellow, but that's completely optional. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Now this is not fractionated coconut oil. You do want the solid coconut oil for this recipe. Still going to be super moisturizing to the skin. Go ahead and get that in, and then I'm going to heat this up in 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. Alright, so I have it all melted down. I'm going to give it a stir just to get everything mixed together really well and get the color incorporated. Now, from this point forward, this recipe moves really fast, so you have to be ready to pour once you add in the sugar. If it does harden up on you where you're not able to get it poured, then just give it another quick heat up in the microwave, and that'll let you get it into your mold. All right, so we have everything mixed in there. Oh, I forgot the vitamin E. Gonna give that a quick squirt and stir it in. And I'm also going to add in my essential oils now before we add in our sugar, because like I said, it moves really quick. So for this one, I am doing 20 drops of the lemon essential oil, which smells amazing. And then I'm doing 10 drops of the jade lemon, but as I said, you could just do all regular lemon if you don't have the jade lemon, so then you would just do 30 drops, 30 to 40 drops. I lost count there, but I think that's all good. Then we'll go ahead and give this another stir. All right. And now we're going to add in a cup of sugar. And like I said, you got to be ready to move. So I got my mold here. It's a cute little mold, has the little leaf impressions on it. So I think that this will make these really cute sugar scrub bars. But I'll make sure I got everything here. Okay. And we are ready to pour. All right, so stir it up super quick as best as you can. Try to get it through there. It is already starting to thicken up, but I think that's good. So now we're gonna pour. You can see it doesn't take long for it to get thick. I probably should have poured these on put this mold on a cookie sheet so I could move it around, but I did not. There we go. This actually look really good there. And we're gonna have like one little baby one over here. Get that all out. And that is all there is to it. We're gonna let it set up 2 to 4 hours, just like you would any other melt and pour soap. It will probably take closer to the 4-hour mark for it actually to harden up, just because of the oils we put in it. But then we'll come back and unmold it so you can see what it looks like. All right, and we are back to unmold our sugar scrub bars. I love the little leaf impression on the top. Now these will, because of the oils in it, feel a little bit greasy to the touch, but that's the same as with any sugar scrub. And they'll just give a light exfoliation as you use them. And then like I said, it's nice because there's no mess to clean up afterwards as far as your shower is concerned. Here's that one. And the lemon smells amazing. It's really nice and refreshing, not overpowering. And I did about 30 drops between the jade lemon and the lemon essential oil. I would say you could go up to about 40 drops, but I didn't need that strong of a scent. There's that one. And here's our smaller one here. And these are nice because you could travel with them as well, which is a little harder than if you have a traditional sugar scrub. I kind of switch off in between which one I use. I think the traditional scrub gives you a little more exfoliating powers, and these are a more gentle exfoliation. So they both have their pros and cons. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and seeing how you can make sugar scrubs 2 different ways. If you did, hit the subscribe button and stick around for more of my videos. And I always have everything I've used as far as recipe and links to the different ingredients down below in the description box. So take care, and until next time, bye!